Hello everyone, this is Vijayasri working as an assistant professor, Department of CSIT, MLR Institute of Technology. In previous session already we discussed about some of the string handling function. In today's session we will discuss about remaining string handling function. So in this session we are going to discuss about strcmp, string compare, then strrev, string reverse. So strcmp means if we want to compare two strings, then we use the function called strcmp, which this accepts two arguments because we are comparing two strings. This accepts two arguments. This strcmp function is present in the header file string.h. If we want to use this function, we have to include this header file string.h, and on return, after comparing, it returns the following three integer values. If both the strings are equal, it returns the value as 0. If not, if one string is greater than the other string, then it is greater than 0. If it is less than 0, means the string 1 is less than the string 2. The syntax here we have strcmp string, because it takes two arguments, string 1, string 2. And it is also case sensitive, because here let us suppose here I am taking string is always a data type character s1, which is of size 10. Then here I am initializing the value as a. Here I am initializing the value as a. Now I am taking one more string which is of type, suppose here I consider ABC. Group of characters must be enclosed in double quotations. Then here one more string I consider which is of type character. So S2, size of the string is 10. Here I am taking small ABC. When I am comparing these two strings, here I have capital A and here I have a small a, where this function is a case sensitive. It compares with the ASCII values. The ASCII value of capital A is 65 and small a is 97. So these strings are not equal. So in this example, I am comparing two strings using strcmp function. So in this first string value is Madras and the second string value is Mangalore. So M both are equal because ASCII value of those two are equal. Then A, then we have D. In first string, that is city, in city we have a D which is the string value 100. D ASCII value is small d, ASCII value is 100, and then when we are comparing with N ASCII value is 110. We are comparing these two, that means city is compared with the town, S1 is compared with S2, the return value is -10 because the ASCII value of first letter is mismatching. Here we have a D and in second we have N. Let us go with the example of strcmp. So whenever we are using strcmp, we have to use the header file. Whenever we are using strcmp function, we have to include the header file string.h. Then here we have s1. I have declared s1, which is of size 20. Here I am taking the same example. Then again I am declaring one more string because strcmp accepts two strings as an argument. Because to compare we need two strings. Again this is second string which is of small abc. Using a getAs function, which is the input function, we are reading the value which is given by the user. If strcmp, because it returns three values, either equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. So here S1, S2, here S1 is ABC and capital ABC, S2 is small abc. Both are equal? No, because the ASCII value of capital A is 65 and small a is 97. Now we are comparing S1 to S2. Here S1 is ABC and S2 is small abc, where S1 value is 65, 97, because we are comparing in that way. Is greater than? No. So it means string 1 is less than string 2 because capital A ASCII value is 65 and small a ASCII value is 97. Then we have one more string handling function called strrev, means the reverse of a string. If I want to print reverse of a string, then we are using the function called strrev. It accepts one string as an argument. Then to use this function, we have to include the header file called string.h. Then always the string is of type character A. Always the string data type is character. Then the string name is A. Here I am taking 10. Is the size of the string. That means it can take 10 number of characters including the null character. Then enter the string. Here I have entered the string as hello. Then using a getAs function, I have read the string which is provided by the user. If I want to reverse the string, I want to print the reverse of the string, then we have to use strrev of the string name. String name is here A. So it will print. Using putAs function, I am printing the reverse of the string. Suppose if I want, to print lowercase of the string. String name is str. So here I am taking 10. Here only I am initializing the values as mlrit. I want to print lowercase of that string. Then we have to use a function called strlwr and then string name. It also take one argument. Now in this case it will print. It will convert all the uppercase letters into lowercase. If I want to print uppercase, suppose here I am taking str10 is equal to, now I am giving hello in lowercase. Now I want to print this lowercase into uppercase. Then we have to use the function called strupr, then string name. Whenever we are using this, I am using a putAs function to print. Now it will print on a console. It will convert all the lower cases into upper cases, HELLO. To use these functions, we have to include a header file called string.h. I'm going to check here whether the given string is palindrome or not. So always the string data type is character. So character, string name is str. Here 50 is the size of the string because string is a character array or array of characters. Then here I consider one more variable called length, and then I consider because the index positions are different, because the characters are stored in different indexes. Then here I consider one flag value. Flag will take boolean values or a binary values. We can say it takes two values, either 0 or 1. Then enter the string. Here I entered the string as madam. So I am considering the same string here, str, which is of 50. Then index starts with the 0. Then the string value is madam. Always the string ended with a null character. Then length of the string. So length of the string will be calculated using the strlen function. So strlen, then it takes one argument, that is the string name. String name is here str, and it points base address. So the base address and points to here. Then the next address will be 1 byte because the size of the character is 1 byte of memory. Then strlen, it is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, excluding the null character, will count the remaining characters in the string. The characters are 5. Then 5 by 2 it is 2.5, but here we consider the floor value, that is 2. Then if str of I, that means I value is 0, str of 0 not equal to str of len is 5, length is here 5, because 5 characters here we have in the string, minus I is 0 minus 1. So now it is 5 minus 0 minus 1. Now it is str of 4. In str of 0 we have m not equal to in str of 4 we have M not equal to M, no, M is equal to M. When the condition is true, then flag will be 1. Initially flag is assigned to 0, and if this condition is true, it will become 1 because flag can take only 2 values. Those are the Boolean values, either 0 or 1. It accepts only 2 values. Then again I plus plus, now I becomes 1. 1 less than 2, condition is true. Condition is true. So in str of 1 not equal to, then str of length is 5 minus I is 1 minus I is 1 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that is 3. In str of 1 we have A, not equal to str of 3 we have A. A not equal to A, no. A is equal to A, flag will not become 1, it still remains 0. Then again I plus plus, now I becomes 2, 2 less than 2, no. Then I am using a break statement to, if this condition is true, then only break. Because we'll discuss that also. Flag will be 0. If flag 0, the given string is palindrome, else not a palindrome. So I am taking here one more string. Here I am considering Madras. Always the string is end with the null character. Again flag is initialized to 0. Then enter the string. Here I enter the string as Madras. Then using a getAs function, which is an input function, it can be used to read the string given by the user. Then length of the string. Here length of the string is calculated, number of characters excluding the null character. So here the number of characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So length of the string is 6. Now here we have a condition. For I equal to 0, I less than length by 2, that is 6 by 2. Now it is 3. 0, I is 0. 0 less than 3, condition is true. Then str of I, that is 0. Then we have length minus I minus 1. Length is here 6 minus I is 0 minus, so index positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then str of 6 minus 0 minus 1. 6 minus 1, now it is 5. In str of 0 we have M not equal to, in str of 5 we have S. Yes, M not equal to S. Condition is true. Now flag becomes 1. If these two are doesn't match, that means when we say it is a palindrome, when we reverse the string, if we got the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse the string, we will not get the same given string. So no need of repeating the loop. By using a break statement, I exit. By using the break statement, we can come out of the loop. Now flag becomes 1 when string is palindrome, when string value is 0. When string becomes palindrome, when flag value is 0. But here the flag value is 1. So here we'll print the output as string is not palindrome. So in this session we have discussed about the string handling functions called str, CMP, which is used to compare two strings, str, rev, if I want to reverse the string. If I want to print the reverse of a given string, then we use strrev. Then strlwr. If I want to convert uppercase letters into uppercase into the lowercase. If I want to convert the string uppercase into lowercase, then we use strlwr. If I want to print the uppercase, then strupr. These are all string handling function present in the header file string.h. And we have discussed about program string palindrome or not. When we say it is a palindrome, when we reverse the given string, if you got the given string, then it is a palindrome. In the next session, we'll discuss about structures in C. Thank you.